What's good, everyone? This is Will Mydell once again with the Creative Code for another daily vlog.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so it's been a while since I vlogged. Very long time.
It's been a long time. And finally, here we are. What took you so long?
But it's all good. I'm back. I'm downstairs in my new office. I love it. It's peace and quiet. I finally got everything set up. I just had a photo shoot Saturday with a young lady that I went to middle school with. Very cool chick. Currently about to download her images, and hope y'all ain't supposed to be seeing this.
Oh, pay no attention to that man behind the curtain.
Going to get this done for her birthday, her late belated birthday. Happy birthday once again. But this photo shoot was fun. It's going to push me to my limits once again in my compositing field of knowledge, if that sentence is grammatically correct. But yeah, just want to give you guys, touch bases with you guys and let you know what's going on in my life right now as far as on the side of business. And there's a lot of things going on. So unfortunately, I am doing a lot of this. Well, I am doing the majority. Well, I am doing all the work by myself. So I tried to find some gray area right there. But you put out ads for interns, and some show, some flake, some never call. It is what it is. You just have to, in this industry, you have to deal with the cards that you dealt. So if you can't find any help, you wait till help comes. Until then, you don't quit. You keep moving. You keep pushing, and that's what you do. I mean, if you have a passion, you have a drive for something in life, you just go out there and do it. You don't sit around and wait for people.
That's the spirit.
So that's what I do, and that's what I'm good at. Very patient and humble, but I will get out there and make it happen. If that comes with the cost of sleep, it is what it is. So currently, right now, let's start off with the magazine. So 7 Hues Mag. For the month of March, we are taking a break. Thank God. This is wearing me out doing it month by month. Fashion Week just finished. No, actually it's in Paris. Paris is going on right now. But yeah, so with the magazine, what we did, we started a new website for our hair, 7 Hues Mag Hair, or 7 Hues Hair. And we started one for our beauty page. And excuse me. Going into the summer, leading up to the fall, we're going to start a website for our men and for our Noir, which is our magazine for people of color. So, but I chose, they said, well, why I chose hair and beauty first? Well, because our hair and beauty is very unique to our brand. Also, it has a lot of potential in the collaboration field, I guess. And also as advertised. I mean, as you know, cosmetics is very huge market. All right, and our hair page is very consistent with the content we post, as well as our beauty. Our beauty page right now is about to hit 30K. I'm excited. All organic posts, nothing bought, and I love it. I'm about to actually start a contest for our beauty page, and post some prizes, maybe some Fenty Beauty, just some random beauty products, maybe brushes, I don't know, whatever's in the beauty market, I'm gonna use that for prizes. I'm excited, just as far as, watching my brand grow on Instagram. It's very exciting, compared to Facebook, Instagram, I would say to anyone out there who's trying to grow at a speedy rate, Instagram, I would say, is more for people who want to get attention more worldwide. Facebook is more for local people. That's why if anybody see me on Facebook, I have the lowest amount of followers. I'm not too much interested in adding people on Facebook. I see that as a tool that could be used for great things, but people use it for foolishness. That's just my take on that. And people just like to sit and watch, and watch what you do and stalk your page. And I mean, it is what it is, but far as my business, I mean, I just use it for posting things. I wouldn't put all my concentration into a Facebook, because I'm not trying to gain the attention of everyone locally as is I am nationwide, because I want my business and my brand to be known around the world, not just here in Savannah, Georgia, where I'm located at. For anyone else who's watching around the world, I'm in Savannah, Georgia. Yeah, right by the water. Yeah, by the water. Anywho, back to my websites. That's what I'm currently doing right now for the magazine. Speaking of websites, if you're interested in spending your tax dollars with the Creative Corps, we do build websites. Yes, indeed. If you're interested in getting your name out there, with your own domain, hosting, that way you can take payments on your website, something professional, you know, shoot us an email, and we will send you some quotes. This is the best time probably to contact me now, in the spring before summer cranks up, in the fall when the magazine starts getting heavy in the fashion week and men's week and, you know, all the whole summer thing. So yeah, we do that. Secondly, outside of the magazine, as far as anything else that we do, I guess I can give you the whole spiel on that as far as what the Creative Corps is known for, okay? Digital design, which would be graphics, anything digital. When I say digital design, I mean anything as far as design for digital purposes. Digital meaning smartphones, tablets, internet as far as on the web, desktops. So anything that you can see visually, right? Visibly? Yeah, y'all know, right? Anything you can see visibly on a digital surface, that's what we take care of as far as, you know, content. Videos, print design, which would be out of a magazine. Wish I had something. Hold up, I'll go grab something. And I'm back. So, print design that is for print, which would be flyers, brochures, obituaries, magazines. This is our October issue for 2019. Love it.
This is our handbook. I wrote the whole thing myself.
46 issue, as you can see. Look at this quality. Oh, even the ads. You see these? I shot this model. I shot this bottle. Designed the whole. See, this is a digital design, a digital makeup of an idea that's in your head that you want out for the world to see. That's what I do. But I can't just sit there and tell you what you want for free. That's what consultation is for. So a lot of people inbox me or DM me, well, you know, I was wondering. Well, wonder after you pay me for consultation, okay? Because there's a lot of people who would just want to suck up your ideas and don't want to compensate you for it. The next, I'm on the internet and I see people out there doing something similar to what I'm doing, and they say, oh, I'm doing it for a cheaper price, you know, I was a originator of this. I'm like, well, you were just in my inbox asking me, you know. There's a couple of people, you know, but I don't mind, because I mean, people can't take what you do and then turn it into something new unless they had that vision, unless they had your vision, if that makes sense. So it's one thing to study somebody, you know, and then try to duplicate it, but it's one thing to study everyone abroad around the world and you know, and then come up with something of your own, you know, if that makes sense. You know, I'm not gonna say, oh, I didn't study every magazine. I mean, I've studied multiple magazines before I started mine, but they were the top of the top. You know, I don't study anybody locally. I don't study anybody in my area. You know, I study the best of the best, and which is why this looks the best of the best. So this is print design. This is what we do. You know, beautiful. Speaking of magazines, I want to start one for Savannah. I am going to start one for Savannah, but that's been kind of moving kind of slow because of the support, and that's understandable. I mean, as far as where I'm at locally in my area, support isn't really, you know, a strong point, you know, when it comes to people doing what I do. It's not too many people out that's doing what I'm doing in this area. it's not the market for it. I mean, it's not. You know, and me trying to introduce something new in this area, you know, people either want to look at it as, oh, we're not interested in that, or that's different, or there's going to be an intimidation factor of, you know, that's up here. You know, I'm gonna just keep focusing on this stuff over here. So, does that stop me? No. Like I said, I concentrate my market as far as on a global scale, and on a global scale, people are non-biased to, you know, what they're looking at, because we're not from the same area. You know, you'll notice in life, if you're from the same area as someone, you're not going to get that strong of a support as it is from somebody out of a different city or a different state, because they're going to look at your work, and if they love it, they're going to like it, they're going to comment on it, you know, done data. But we're still going to do one for the local area, and I'm going to push that when I free up more time, which is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm a man of many hats. I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing like 4 or 5 websites at one time. I'm managing like 10 or 11 Instagram pages at one time. Also, while trying to keep the content at a high scale, and, you know, sit down and come up with ideas for the future, stay on top of the future, and watching the best of the best out there, and making sure I'm not falling behind them. I'm trying to stay. You know, if this is a race, I'm trying to stay in the top 10, top 20. If it's a 100-man race, excuse me, I don't want to be back there with the 80s and the 70s and the 90s. No, I'm trying to stay within the top 10 to 20. You know, so you have to watch these people, study these people. You know, and same thing with pricing when it comes to photography and stuff. So people were like, oh, he charged too much. I'm like, well, go study people that do what I do and create what I create at the type of level that I create, and see how much they charge. And you'll be surprised to see they're charging what I'm charging or higher. So don't ask someone to lower their price, or ask them, you know, how much they're charging without having a mindset of, okay, I'm prepared to pay this person because I see what they're doing, I love their quality, and I'm gonna pay for it. I'm gonna pay for that because I want that. You know, stop trying to get over on people, you know, and expect people to drop their price because you want something that's for, you know, cheaper. You know, you want cheap stuff, you go ask people that do cheap work. You know, they're going to get cheap quality stuff. I just want something real fast, you know. It's 2020, we're not doing that. And people wonder why the bar won't raise, because everyone's trying to keep it at a certain level because, you know, they want to spend at a certain level. Well, the Creative Core is not dropping our prices. This is disclaimer. Okay, we're keeping it where we're keeping it. We're going to keep it providing you with quality content. Okay, and we're going to keep it pushing.
And that's the bottom line, because I said so.
You know, at the end of the day, you know, we've had people contact us from outside of the city, outside of the state, and they would drive down here to get work done. That's how it is. So, I mean, and that's a golden nugget to anyone out there who's having these same issues with people locally. Keep pushing your brand. Keep pushing yourself. And advertise yourself to the point that you're confident. You're confident. Get confident in yourself first, and what you're doing first. Get confident in that first, and believe in yourself to the point that you know that anything I put out there, I don't care if they're in Oklahoma, Alabama, they're gonna call me and say, you know what, how much you charge for that? I'll pay for mailing. You know, all you need is one experience. All you need is one experience from somebody to make you a believer. And once you get that experience, you're going to get sold. You're going to get sold. You're like, you know what? I can do this. I can do this. I don't care about who around here, who want to support me, who want to buy my stuff, who want to shop with me. Get that one experience and make you a believer. All right? I don't know how I got off on that topic, but yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what the magazine is doing right now. As far as web design, like I said, hit us up. If you need some photography, hit us up. Okay, even if you just need quotes, we'll send it to you. It's all good. You know, or you respond back, it's all right. But don't just sit there and wonder. I wonder. No, just go ahead and shoot us an email. Don't inbox me. Okay, I'm not with the inbox stuff. Just shoot me an email. Okay, and I'll respond to you, or just shoot me a text. I think my number's on my name is all over across the internet everywhere. So I mean, you could just Google William Idell, and I almost sound like I was bragging for a second. But I mean, but it's the truth. I mean, just Google the Idell, the third, you know, not the junior. Not junior out there, God City Junior, you know. Google the third, and we'll take care of you. All right, right on, right on. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna finish my coffee. I just want to give y'all a quick update. I'm pretty sure there's some more things I could cover right now. I'm gonna keep you updated with the shoot. I'm about to jump in here right, start editing this, and I think I'm gonna probably do like a small tutorial on how I finish the finished images. And I'm gonna get back into doing more videos. I keep telling myself to do more videos. There's people on my YouTube channel. You know, this ain't my first video. You know, I'll pop up some on the screen right now. So y'all don't think, oh well, because there's gonna be somebody out there, oh he doing videos because he seen us doing it. No, go check out the tube, do your research. Okay, this ain't our first video. We ain't new to this. Okay, we've been doing this. We trendsetters. When I say we, I'm speaking of me and what I created. I would say I, but I can't say I. I'm gonna say we, and because it's not only me, it's the Father, because He blessed these hands to do all this stuff without no education, no schooling. You know, that's where wisdom come from. Wisdom come from age. It come from God. That's another tip. All right. That's why I keep saying we, me and him. He don't want to help me get all this together with no help and give me the strength to stay up to take care of. Boy, I'm about to preach myself happy. Boy, you know what? I'm going to get back to y'all later. I'm going to finish my coffee. I'm going to get to this editing. And I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mr. Mydell. That's Mr. Mydell. Or you can follow me at William Mydell. Not William, but Will Mydell. That's Will Mydell. Don't forget to follow my magazine page and the Creative Core SAV. And 7 Hughes Savannah. Okay, let's get that started. I mean, there's a couple of magazines out there in Savannah. I'm not gonna say no names, but y'all already know if we get this cracking for the city. Where get that from? Living for the city.
Look at me, America. Look how Tron is living for the city.
Dave Chappelle. Well, I know somebody's like, this boy is still a fool from Beach High School. Go Dogs.
Bulldogs.
Alright. Yeah, we get this cracking for the city. Yo. We get some fashion shows. We can have some, you know, it's a lot of stuff I want to do. I want to talk too much on the Savannah 7 Hughes Savannah magazine. I'll probably do it in another video. But if y'all already see what I'm doing with this, and I'm at 30,000 something followers, just imagine what, you know, we could do if, you know, y'all support the kid for a magazine for the city. All right. You know, I know a lot of y'all might be thinking, well, he got all them skinny models and then this and, you know, this and, look, let me handle that. Let me handle all that. All right. You know, ain't about no skinny models. It's a level of thinking you have to project yourself to, you know, and it also has a lot to do with carrying yourself in confidence. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to build confidence. I'm trying to motivate people. And a lot of people will think that, you know, because I stay off on my little island, I'm not at every little venue and party and little outing, you know, that, oh, William did. Look, I have to stay separated from people for a certain reason. Half of it is scripture, and the other half is just because I'm going to be able to get anything done. You know, I can't be out, you know, in everybody's face, you know, shooting the mouth off, you know, and no one's at my office getting anything done for me. All right. You know, so if I had interns, if I had people in here helping me out, I can get out and network with people more on a, you know, and that's also another thing. I'm not going to be out there just talking just to be talking. Oh, yeah, so, you know, we did this in school. Oh, yeah, yeah, you heard about that other person that over there on this? Yeah, I heard. Nah, I ain't got time for all that, man. No. We're going to talk business. We're going to talk about this is what we're going to do. This is going to help the city. This can, you know, help inspire our kids to do this and this. And there's also something else I want to do for the kids, but someone comment in a video so I can remind me to do another video on that. It's a couple things I want to do for the kids also, but like I said, I'm doing 50 million things at one time. All right, so I'll get back with you guys. It was fun. Really was fun. I haven't done this in a while, and my confidence has always been high. And you know, the last few weeks it's just been, you know, through the roof. So you know, it feels good talking to y'all. You know. So I'll get back with y'all later. Thanks, peace, hair grease. I ain't got no hair, so you know, just say balm and grease. I don't know. Bye.